Alright, what's up guys? So if you saw my first video on how to open the headlights, now you are here looking to figure out how to get this chrome off, and I put that in quotes because this is not actual chrome. It is just an aluminum that is like anodized, oxidized, whatever, over top of the plastic. So I already got this one off here for the reflector, but I'll go ahead and show you. This out of the way. So all it is, if I can show you on camera, they're just little, I don't know what you want to call them. They have little heads on them, and I found it works best with a pry bar. Not a pry bar, pry tool. Just come in behind it, and it's off. So there's one up. There's two, and then this third one works best if you come in behind the high beam. Just kind of work with it. Oops, that was loud. So there you go. Alright guys, we've hopped out to the garage. Bear with me, it's really cold as usual per Iowa. So hopefully my camera battery doesn't die. So if you are here to get rid of this chrome, you don't need this reflection, so you are going to be doing a projector retrofit. So you need to get rid of this cap here for your low beam. All you have to do, flip it around. I'll get the number for you right here. It is a T20, so a Torx 20. Gonna come in right here. Get this screw out, and then this simply, show you guys, I'm trying to do this all, just pulls out. So then you're left with this. So, how we're going to just make this chrome go away is for the product. It is called Easy Off Heavy Duty. It is the yellow can. It is actually a oven cleaner, but because this is fake chrome, like I had mentioned, this stuff, you just literally spray it on and it just eats away whatever this aluminum coating is. Definitely make sure that you're wearing some sort of gloves. It is obviously a chemical. It says to shake well. Okay. So when you spray it on, you want to coat the surface. You're going to leave this to sit for about 15 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to try, let me take you off the tripod here. This battery's about to die, so I'll charge it while it's doing its magic. But as you can see, it is already turning black, and on contact, I don't know if you can see that one or not, it turned it brown. So, it's already eating it off. So I'm going to let this sit about 10-15 minutes. I'll probably throw one more coat on it. So, and while I'm doing that, camera's going to charge. I will check back with you guys shortly. Okay, so because it's so cold outside, I can't use my hose. Everything's frozen. And because I'm afraid to rinse this off and just let it run down the drain, it's an oven cleaner, so I mean obviously people probably do, but I'm afraid to, so we're going to kind of do this in an unorthodox way. I got a 5-gallon bucket here with another bucket full of water, and then I have an old brush that has been used for numerous things. So I'm just going to dump water on them. See what happens. Okay, so this is interesting. Might have to let it sit a little bit longer, so I'll show you guys. It took care of most of it, but there's still, you see there's chrome here, chrome, you know, I'm just using the word chrome. Obviously don't eat me alive in the comments. It's just kind of faded in parts. So I think I'm going to throw another coat on in these spots, let that sit, rinse these off, get another coat on these as well, and we'll see what it looks like after 2. So I wanted to show you guys this quick. I just rinsed the bottom ones off. They're actually, they're white, while the other ones are black. Then interesting enough, on the bottom of both of these, it stayed chrome. Don't know why, but literally same exact spot on both of them. It kind of came out that way with those as well. They're kind of chrome in the same spot, but this was kind of cool. This is where I had fingerprints on the chrome, and it actually took the chrome off in those spots that my fingers had touched. Pretty cool. But yeah guys, alright, I'm gonna throw a second coat on and I will show you guys the end result. Alright guys, so I came in, rinsed off a little bit that was left from the bucket. Even with a second coat, it still didn't get these parts, which is strange to me, but still completely worth it, because all of this is a nice perfect black that is going to set up for a nice coat to paint on, and saved me a lot of time sanding all that chrome off. So now I'll just have this little bit of random spots, but that's perfectly okay. And then just that one spot on that still didn't come off even with a second coat, but still, I mean, I would highly recommend to use the Easy Off. Definitely saved me a lot of time. As you can see, it's about 11:15, so I'm going to let this stuff dry, wake up in the morning, and get ready to go paint. We'll see you guys then.